Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades live as they unfold. Have a very, very short morning. Taking a half day. Have some family in from out of town. So we're going to be heading out to the beach just because the weekend weather didn't really cooperate. But anyways, IONS, I like the opportunity where I can maybe do a quick trade, just pull out a quick little amount of money for the morning before I head out. Also got to do some videos and stuff for the site, so it's a very busy morning, and I assumed I wouldn't have been trading, but seeing IONS, like I said, I like the potential here to pull out a quick amount of money. I'm not saying anything huge, but I think the opportunity presents itself, and if anything, it'll kind of give a quick little in look into just how trading doesn't need to be huge. I mean, depending on your schedule and what's going on for the day, it can still allow for an opportunity to pull out some money. So we'll see what happens. Less than a minute before the markets open. So I will keep you updated. All right, I got 1,000 shares at 565. That was a huge move. That just shot all the way up to 587 in a blink of an eye. So I missed the entry point, but it did pull back and give me the 10 cents there. So quick $100. If it can break up above 6, I'll try to do one more trade. But after that, I might just call it a day, like I already explained. Got a pretty busy morning, so not gonna spend too much time. In fact, the video guide just showed up, but if it can break above 6, maybe I'll try one more trade here. Again, I apologize for missing it, but it was a very quick move. So it went from basically 540 up to 587 in like a second, and obviously failed me, pulled back, so I got my quick 10 cents, which was $100, and it's only 9:33 in the morning. So like I said, you don't need a whole ton of time to pull some profits from the market. I am willing to try one more trade. Let me make sure. So I'll go at 615 if it wants to break up above 6. So I will keep you posted. Well, you saw I had my order at 615. And let's see, you can see the high, the highest it went was 609. So 6 cents short on the entry point that I wanted to get. After I saw that, I did adjust it up to 625, but at this point now it's pulling back. So just going to cancel that out of there. So within 6 cents of that, next order that I wanted, but just didn't quite get it. So a few more minutes, I'll give it, and then I'm going to have to wrap things up. Before I forget, the big question I always get with these is, hey Clay, how are you finding these stocks that you're trading, especially on a day like this where you made all that within 3 minutes. So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I'm using to locate stocks that I want to trade and I think have potential in. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then all you got to do is click right there. The guide is totally free. It's a one-page document, so by no means you have to read through like chapters upon chapters, to get anything. So good risk versus reward. The only risk is a few minutes of your time. The reward is it could really help you out. So like I said, click right there and I will email it to you. All right, it is 9:37 a.m. Like I said, it was going to be a quick morning. The video guys got everything set up. IT Nate, for those of you in the community who would know what that name meant. So got to hop over and do some videos, and then it's going to be off to the beach to hang out with family. So 7 minutes in, $100, a single trade, and well, now I say that, now this thing's coming back to life. So maybe I'm not done. Let's see. Got to break over 6 though, and it's got to make a pretty big move, but just really struggling to 6. So yep, I'm going to call it. Nah. See, I think the market's listening to me right when I want to get. All right, there we go. So 665. So let's see if it can get up there or not. I'll give it a few more minutes here. All right, I am canceling. I am done. As always, if you enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, then go ahead, click the like button, leave comments. Those are always appreciated. If you're watching this on my actual site, then click that share button. And definitely check out the channel on YouTube. Lots of other videos out there, not just these live trades. So there's got a lot of good stuff on the channel. So check that out. And hopefully you decide to subscribe to the channel. But like I said, the easiest way to let me know that you want me to keep making these live trade videos is just to click that like button, which obviously only takes a few moments. So thanks for watching. Hopefully everybody has a green week. I'll see you back next week.